Hey there, 𝗪𝗵𝘠 here and welcome to this course. In this course, I'm going to introduce you to the Directories plugin, the powerful tool that lets you create money-making directory website on WordPress. In part 1, we are going to dive deep into the Directories plugin and learn how it works. Think of it this way. If you understand the tools properly, then building your own website becomes so much easier. You will know exactly what to click, what to customize, and how to structure your directory. So this course is all about getting comfortable with directories and its features. Then in part 2, I will walk you through the premium extensions of directories, how they work and what they unlock, and how you can use different themes to shape the look and feel of your directory website. And finally, in part 3, we'll take everything we learned from part 1 and part 2. And we'll use that knowledge to build a complete professional money-making directory website from scratch, live and fully functional. Sounds good, right? So what exactly is a directory website? A directory website is an online platform where people can find businesses, services, professionals, events, or products in an organized and searchable way. Some popular examples include local business directories, real estate or property listing, restaurant or service directories, job or event listing, and many more. And here's the exciting part. A directory website can generate real income. You can monetize it by charging businesses for listing submission, offering premium or featured listing, running subscription or memberships, displaying ads or affiliate promotions, and many more. So in this course, we'll focus on what the Directories plugin is and why it's so powerful, how to use Directories AI-powered directory builder, and setting up categories, locations, and tags, customizing single listing pages, all listing pages, and search forms, exploring general settings to make directories fully functional. By the end of this course, you will know exactly how Directories code works. So let's get started and explore Directories and all its amazing features.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.